Hey guys, welcome back to another great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum. Today it's all about breakfast and this episode starts right now. Okay guys, welcome back. Today we are making French toast roll-ups. That's right, you heard it right. We're going to make some French toast roll-ups and these are the ingredients. Come over here, let's check them out. Okay, it's a very simple recipe. We have 8 slices of sandwich bread which I have cut the ends off. We have some Nutella. I have some sugar and cinnamon. Probably about 2/3 a cup of sugar, and play it by ear, about 1.5 tablespoons of cinnamon to create this beautiful sandy desert sand that I call it, or cinnamon sugar. We have some chopped up strawberries, very nicely chopped up. I always put 1 tablespoon of sugar in the strawberries to kind of sweeten them up a little bit. I have my strawberry garnish, some syrup. We have 2 eggs, guys, and 3 tablespoons of milk. And that's it, you guys. And I also have a pad of unsalted sweet cream butter in my pan. So let's get started. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do first. Look at this, guys. I'm going to grab my little rolling pin. Happen to have a little fondant rolling pin here. And we're going to roll this bread out to make it more pliable. This is such an easy and beautiful recipe to make with your kids. Your kids will love this, guys. Then I'm going to grab some Nutella. This is going to be our glue. Nutella is just so nutty and so delicious. I'm going to go ahead and put it on one end, some Nutella. And I'm going to put a little tiny bit on the other end to use it as our glue when we roll these up. Okay? All right, now we're going to grab some strawberries. You don't want to overfill it with strawberries because it won't hold. It'll break your bread. So here we go. That's perfect. You guys see that so far? Have that. So now I'm going to roll it nice, as tight as we can. Nice and tight. And there is our first French toast roll-up, guys, with Nutella and strawberries. We are going to dip it in the egg. I'm going to show you how I make it in the frying pan. Let's make one more just to show you. Okay, so let me move this out of the way. All right, so we're rolling our bread. Nice and pliable, nice and thin. Let's grab some of our delicious Nutella. You can use cream cheese and strawberries. You can use blueberries and cream cheese. I mean, whichever you prefer. Some people even chop up very small bananas and strawberries with cream cheese. I like the Nutella because it's delicious. It's very nutty and it's very kid friendly. So kids, oh, this is beautiful to do with your kids in the kitchen. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Hey guys, and let me know if you've been watching my channel for a while and have been supporting my channel. Gosh, I appreciate it so much. But if you haven't subscribed, guys, smash the subscribe button. Remember, if you're watching my channel from Facebook, it will ask you for a login to YouTube. If you don't have one, guys, all you need is a Gmail email address. It's free for a YouTube account. Little number 2 roll-up. So guys, I have 8 slices of bread. We're going to make 8 roll-ups, you guys. And when I come back, these are all going to be rolled up. We're going to get ready to pan fry these. Oh, we're going to dip them in the egg and pan fry them. I'm going to show you how. Then we're going to dip them in the cinnamon sugar once they're done. And this is so easy and so beautiful, you guys. You don't want to miss this, you guys. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. And now, look at this. Look at our beautiful 8 little French toast roll-ups. They are ready. So now we're going to take our eggs. I've got the butter in here melting. Our butter's going to melt. Once that happens, then we are going to dip it in the egg and we're going to pan fry it. Remember, when you put it in the pan, guys, we're going to put it with the seal side down. Okay, so this side's going to go down in the pan. So let's wait. I'm going to use my spatula with the little holes in it to kind of take the eggs out. Excuse me, take the roll-ups out of the egg and just put them in the pan. Face down, okay? So we're waiting for that. Come on, butter. All right, so the butter is melting. So remember, I use unsalted sweet cream butter, you guys. All right, so let's do the first one. Check this out. I'm going to grab my first one, guys. We are going to put it in the egg. You see that? We're going to roll it in the egg. Just roll it like if we're making French toast. Then we are going to get the excess off with our spoon. And we are going to put it face down in our pan. Ah, the sizzle's coming quick. I love the sound of that sizzle. So here's number 2. You can use your hands if you'd like. I personally like to use the spatula. Kind of helps me take them out, which is good. So we're rolling this, guys, like if we're making French toast with regular brioche bread or whichever bread you like. They're just rolled up. Isn't this cute? This is so versatile and so, like I always say, so cute to make with either your partner or your kids. It's just fun in the kitchen. That's what it's all about. Remember, food is the universal language of love. So there we go. Here's that one. Okay, we've got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let's see if we can fit all 8 in here. Maybe we can. I will definitely, with your spatula, we'll flip them over like this. They'll start to brown. You have to be very gentle with these because these are very fragile. So we'll just do that. Look at that. Whew, doesn't that look delicious? Oh my goodness. Flip that one. Oh, these are absolutely delicious, you guys. Oh my goodness, these are so good. You can also make these savory. You can stuff them with sausage, crumbled sausage and cheese, and you can put a little bit of syrup on the side. Yum. Or you can just leave them savory like that. All right, so let's flip this last one. You know, it looks like it's giving me a hard time, but it's not. I'm just very extra cautious with this. That one's ready. That one's almost ready. Oh my gosh, beautiful. That one's almost ready. And this one's almost ready. If you want, you can do like I did, you know, just put them on their side for a second. Be careful with the fork and just be very, very, see how they sizzle when you put them on their sides? Gotta be really, they're kind of fragile, so we're gonna be extra kind to them. All right, so look at that. We'll put this baby a little bit here on its side. I try to be extra careful with my, got this baby's done. We have this one's done. Wow. Yum, yum, you guys. Done. And we're going to put this one. Look at that smoke. Whew. That is so beautiful. So now, I'll save these last 2 for later, guys. Because I was only able to fit 6 in the pan. That's fine. If you have a bigger frying pan. If not, you can dip them, and I'll dip them in a minute after I'm done. So, look at these. Look at these beauties. Check that out. Aren't those pretty? So now I'm going to wait a second and let them like cool down for 1 second. Although they say that I have hands of steel, which I don't, but I don't know if I do or not, but I can grab pretty hot stuff. So pretty hot meals. I can flip steaks with my hands. Sometimes I'll grab the tip and flip it, but not really. All right, so here they are. Here is our beautiful desert sand sugar, I call it, which is our cinnamon with our regular granulated sugar. Now I'm going to grab, hang on, getting ready to plate, guys. So I'm going to grab my bamboo plate that I love so much. All right, so we're going to grab one. I'm going to dip it into the sugar. It's a little hot, no biggie, but wow, my grandmother would be so proud of me right now. Look at that, you guys. Let me just give you a little close-up. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. It's just so delicious and so beautiful. I'm going to put it here. I'm going to grab another one. They're hot. Be careful. Grab another one. And I'm going to plate it. I'm plating. I'm all about plating, guys. So I'm just putting them on the bamboo plate right now. I'm dusting them and putting them. Then I'm going to show you how I decorate the plate. how I do my actual plating. So you can put these on like in different angles. Look how I'm plating. Check that out. See? I like plating, so I'll put them in a little angle. I'll show you right now. No biggie. Oh, my son's going to come home from school and absolutely adore this. Okay, guys. Here's another one. I'll put right there. Come back here. Okay. These are beautiful, you guys. Oh, smells so delicious. Look at that. I just absolutely love this. So you can put them like that. See? You can cross them over each other to make it look pretty. However you like. Now we are going to put these here. Look at that. So you kind of like just put them on the plate crisscrossed. I have this beautiful strawberry that all I did was slice it. Not all the way through, but I sliced it so I can fan it out to make it look pretty on my plate. So I'm going to put this on my plate, guys. Now I'm going to do my little sugar boom. Ready? Ready? Okay. Now I'm going to do my little sugar boom. So I'm going to grab a little cinnamon sugar and we're going to go boom. There it is. Look at that, you guys. Look at that. How beautiful are those French toast roll-ups? Wait a second. We also need on our plate, of course, some maple syrup. Look at that. Yum, yum. So now, before we taste, oh my gosh, I love this. I need to grab my Delight, which is my tasteless, odorless CBD powder, which has been a real lifesaver for me with this postmenopause, you guys. I take 3 a day. It's just wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this. I didn't mix it with my sugar. I didn't mix it with any, because I'm not going to eat that whole plate of sugar. So I'm greedy. So what I like to do is I put my whole little CBD. Let me show you. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put it on one of my sticks that I'm going to try. Look at this white powder. Look at this. You might think like, holy mackerel. No. I like to mush it like that. And let me prove it to you guys. Look, you guys. See that? Tastes like nothing. Absolutely nothing. So now comes the torture part. I'm going to taste. Oh my God. Okay, so I'm going to grab my baby. I'm going to put it in some syrup. God. Oh my God. You guys, that nuttiness of the Nutella with the fresh strawberry and that cinnamon sugar, it's so delicious, you guys. But I always have to make sure, because I'm a double dipper. You guys know me already, so I'm going to try it again just to make sure. So, I'm going to grab it. Oh my God, I feel like eating this whole thing in one bite. Look at the inside of that. Let me show you. Oh my goodness. You guys, it's a little messy. So worth it, you guys. So nutty, so delicious, so fun to make with your family. This is such a warm, easy dish that everyone can interact. I just love it so much. Remember, you guys, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. Don't forget to comment. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so much. If not, what are you waiting for? Smash the subscribe button. And don't forget the bell so you don't miss any of my episodes. And as always, you guys, my 2 main ingredients in every recipe that I make are, that's right, passion and love. I don't care what you look like. I don't care what your kitchen looks like. I don't care where you're at. If you incorporate passion and love, those 2 main ingredients in any dish that you're making, it will not fail. I repeat, it will not fail, you guys. Always stay positive and always know that and be passionate about what you do in life. And as always, you guys, au revoir. I love you. Los quiero. And until the next great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum, I will be back and I will see you guys then. Take great care, guys. Bye.